Good morning, you guys. Good morning, y'all. It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Yo, it's 7:48 right now as I'm talking, and I have my first order, $19 going for Mayo, and it is shopping order, you guys. Let's go shop this order. I'm only going to shop for 4 items, y'all. Only 4 items. Let's go shop this order. Good morning. Hold on. Let's go check out. Let's go check out. Good morning. D? Yeah.
First store right there.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Ooh, here. Let's get another order, you guys. $17 going for Mayo. 5 Mayo for 2 drop-off. 2 drop-off. Let's go. Hey, let's go drop my first drop-off, y'all. This is my first drop-off. Let's go. We got our third order, y'all. $17 for shopping order. I'm only going to shop for 1 item, y'all. Only 1 item. And that thing's going through Mayo, so I hope my 1 item is there. Let's go to A27. A27. Section 5 here. Section 5. Where is 5? Here. Section 5 and the modular 27. This is 20. 27. Is this one? Let me double check. Yo, what they wanted is not here. Oh my god, I'm about to miss my good order. I hope they're having a substitute. I hope so. It's not here. It's not here. Alright, let me see. Let me say it's not here and see what's gonna come up. Oh my god, you guys, I found it. Instead of being on section 5, it's on section 6. Oh yes, I found it. So they made a mistake. They put on the wrong spot. Come on here. You guys, sometimes if we can't find an item, let's try to look on that next section or the section below. Sometimes they mess up. Ooh, why this color? Just dropped off. Just received another order, $24 going 8 Mayo, and it's 2 drop off. I think it's 2 drop off. So I'm here and let's wait for them to bring it out. Let's receive the shopping order, you guys. $17 for 3 Mayo. Only shopping for 11 items. This is 20. Only 11 items. So I have this so far, so let's get 8 more to go. All done. Let's go delivery. Let's go delivery, y'all. I need the ID. I have a shopping order, you guys. $17. It's going 3 miles, and I'm going to shop for 25 items. It's a lot of items for $17, but let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. I think it's going 1 mile though. I don't remember. $15, you guys. It's going 4 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 6 items. Only 6 items. All right, all done. Let's go at checkout. Yo, no lie. This is not a lie, guys. I had to take a break. I had to take a break for maybe 30 minutes because I was so tired. I know, so sleepy. So I'm awake now. I am ready for an order. They better give me this order. Right now it's two something, y'all. So I'm awake. Let's make this remaining money. Let's make this remaining money, yo. It's been busy and busy. So over here it's going to snow tomorrow. So people are getting things. People are buying things to get ready for tomorrow. It's snowing tomorrow. So I got this order. I forgot to screenshot it. Oh my god. This order, it was $15, you guys, for 6 miles, 1 drop off. I clicked on so fast. I said, yeah, I got an order. And I click on to go check how many items. Yo, it says it was 38 items, but 258 quantities. And guess how many cases of water? 10 cases of water, you guys. I'm like, oh, who's doing this? Who is doing this? Yo, I canceled that order. I just canceled that order. Why are they paying $15 for 258 items, yo, altogether? 10 cases of water, and you're paying $15 for 6 miles? That's So I just canceled that order. So let's wait for another one. This order over here, it was $18 for 2 miles, and I had to shop for 25 items. So let's go deliver it. $18 for 2 drop off. A shopping order, and I'm only going to shop for 8 items. So each person have 4 items. So let's go shop for this order. Yo, I ended up canceling that order. Why? Like 4 of her items of the, it was two people that I was going to shop for, right? So all her items, they didn't put the IO, like it was like the aisle is not, it was not available, so I have to search by myself. Like all of her 4 items, I'm like, no, let me not deal with this. So I ended up canceling that one. And guess what? It's slow. I thought like if I cancel that order, I'm gonna get another one, boom, right away. But it's been a minute now. It's been a minute. Oh, it's hot. It's been a minute, y'all. So right now it's for something. Anyway, this afternoon, it's slow. This afternoon is slow. In the morning it was boo 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 boo. But this afternoon is like order, you know. I just took a crazy order, you guys. I accepted a crazy order. I never accepted this kind of order, this kind of mayos. Pray for me, y'all. $40 for $17. I don't know why I took it, but I'm gonna do it today. Comment down below if you would take that order, you guys. $40 for 17 mayos for 3 drop-off. Comment down below if you would take this order, but I'm taking this order today. I'm going to take this order. Yo, I'm taking this order. Yeah, because I've been here waiting. I'm stuck on. Let me see what time is it. I think it's. Let me see. Oh, it's 4:43, y'all. 4:43. So I'm stuck on 1:46. I've been stuck on 1:46 for I think 2 hours now. So I saw this offer. I'm like, you know what? It's gonna help me to jump up to my goal, 200. So, yo, I took it. You guys don't mind this, y'all. As I was shopping, I was reaching for what was that? A soap. And boom, it fell on me, and so don't mind it. So anyway, please comment down below if you will take this order. For my situation right now, I have to take it. But if it was busy, I wouldn't take this order. But let me take this order, y'all. Let me know. Just let me know. Comment down below. Yay or no. Anyway, before this order, y'all, I received another offer. It was good money, $37. It was a shopping order going 5 miles. But when I went to check how many items to shop, yo, look at this. How many cases of water do you see? A lot cases of water. Like, who's gonna deliver that? If I add all this water together, it's like 30 something waters, y'all. Like case of water. You're crazy. In which car? So I hope nobody get that order. And I know nobody's going to get that order. Like, no one. That's crazy. Pay me. Even though if you pay me like $100, I'm not gonna take that order because it's way too many. Too many case of waters. That's crazy. After waiting for a couple of minutes, look. Oh, I'm going to cancel this order right now. Look, they're still shopping for the order. So this order, I'm about to cancel it. $40, I'm about to miss it. Cause I can't. I'm about to cancel it, y'all. I finally got an order, and this order was a shopping order, $29 for 3 miles. I had to shop for I think 34 items, so I'm here at the person's house. So I'm about to start delivering them, y'all. Let's deliver. I'm done for the day, y'all. I'm done. I'm going to shop for my items right now. If you really enjoyed this video, if you enjoy this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe. A lot of you have been watching my video but haven't subscribed, because I can tell. But if you did, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Help me reach to 1K. Share to your sister, share to your mama, share to your cousin, share to anybody that you know they love this type of content. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much. My day ends here. I'm going to shop for my items for tomorrow. As I told you, tomorrow we are having the snow. So I'm going to get ready, you know, before they finish everything in this store. Like eggs is almost gone. So I need some eggs. So anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. I love you guys. And the total of today, 103. I was aiming to get to 200, but it's okay. 103. I'm thankful. I'm so thankful. All right, y'all. See you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, because it's snowing tomorrow. I will see you whenever. I don't know.